Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. First of all, short press power button and volume up key at the same time, like this, then select power off and let your device shut down completely. Then start holding power button and volume up key at the same time, and once the Nothing logo appears on the screen, release the power button. Just like this, and now keep holding the volume up button until you are in the bootloader menu. Here you can use volume up button to navigate and volume down button to select. Navigate to recovery mode option, which is first on the list, and press volume down key to enter it. Then wait until your phone reboots into recovery mode, and if you see the Android robot laying down on the screen, you're gonna have to hold down the power button and then short press the volume up key. And now you are in the recovery mode. Here you can use volume up to move up, volume down to move down, and this way you can navigate between these options. Now you can select any option you need here, but be careful because some options may also either remove all data from your phone or even break your phone. So if you want to restart your device, select the first option, which is Reboot System Now, and press power button to confirm. And this way you will leave the recovery mode. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.